cheated. When you need help, she's on your side. Better call Bacon.
Car insurance for a vehicle you don't own? Joan Bradshaw sold her car in July, but says USAA told her she can't cancel her policy. The company has already deducted 3 monthly payments from Joan's bank account, and that's when she knew she'd better call Bankin. 8 on Your Side investigator Shannon Bankin joins me now. I don't even know what to say about this. I've never heard of such a thing.
I have never heard of a policy that you can't cancel, Jen. And in Joan's case, the problem is her estranged husband. USAA tells Joan he must sign off on the policy change, but Joan tells me he retired from the Army and disappeared in Saudi Arabia 2 years ago.
Joan Sabin Bradshaw loved her car.
My beloved Eldorado touring coupe.
But she is ill and can no longer drive. So in July, she reluctantly sold the car so she'd have more money for medical bills.
So it felt stupid to keep the car.
When she called her insurance company, USAA, to cancel her policy, she was shocked at their response. She couldn't cancel unless they spoke to her husband, the military member on the account. The problem with that, the couple is estranged, and Mr. Bradshaw does not want to be found.
I have no way of getting in touch with him. I have no idea where he is, okay? He's staying out of the United States primarily to avoid paying me alimony and the bills he's supposed to pay.
Joan tells me her husband suffers from PTSD, and she hasn't spoken to him in years.
This is not the 1950s. And you do not need to talk to my husband about this.
The car was in Joan's name. USAA has already deducted 3 insurance payments from her bank account for the car that someone else now owns. There's little she can do to protect her money because USAA is also her bank.
And they tell me I cannot cancel the auto pay on my own checking account. And so I'm like, excuse me. I sold the vehicle.
Joan knew she'd better call Bankin.
I don't have the strength and the stamina to be able to do like I used to do. And so I thought, boy, if there's anybody who could be an advocate, I hope it's this Shannon Bankin.
So I went to work and called USAA myself.
It seems like you guys would not want to insure a car for someone that's not your customer.
I was assured answers, and Joan needs them soon.
I mean, seriously, there has got to be an intelligent life force someplace in USAA to go, you know, folks, this doesn't make sense.
USAA is still investigating this situation, and a company spokesman tells me that for now, future payments are suspended.
Yeah, but what about the 3 payments they already deducted?
Well, I'm trying to get her a refund on that, but, you know, right now they haven't even canceled the policy, and, you know, she's stuck, you know, has been stuck paying on these payments for a car she doesn't own. She wants not to make any more payments and to get all of her money back. And I told USAA today, we're not going anywhere. I'm going to keep calling. We're going to stay on this story until this is all taken care of, because this just isn't right.
Right. It only seems right she should get the cash back.
Yes.
All right. Thank you, Shannon. If you have a problem that needs solving, better call Bankin. The number is 1-855-BANKIN.